Hi, my name is Dakota Cameron. I'm going to be starting my third year teaching, and I'm really excited for this course. I spent my first year teaching middle school, and then last year I made the jump to high school. And I'm really excited because I've always wanted to teach older students in upper grades of history. That's always been my favorite thing. And my specialty is in history. I have a content mastery in history, got a history degree, all of that, and then wanted to apply that to teaching because I wanted to do it the right way that way. But so that's why I'm in this program. That's why I'm following for my MAT and all that stuff. But I'm excited for that stuff. My specialty is in history and it's my life's passion. I had the worst history teacher in high school, and since that time, I have always wanted to be a history teacher so that I can make a difference for the students that in a way that my teacher failed me, I think. I think that's kind of where it comes from. I also get to teach PE, which I love. That's really fun. I'm excited for this course um, because just a content expert, but I'm not an expert in the classroom yet. So every time I take one of these courses, I learn something new that I can apply in my classroom and make myself more valuable as a teacher and more effective as a teacher. And I really appreciate every opportunity to do that. So I'm looking forward to finding out some more things that I can apply in my classroom. This has been my little introduction. I'm excited to get started. I can't wait to meet the rest of you guys too. Have a great day.